Working with Premiere Pro sometimes could be very frustrating, especially if you have different clips that you have to put together. This could also be more overwhelming if you're working on tens of different clips that you have to put together, and then you don't want to just spend so much time to close all these gaps, where you can spend the rest of your time doing something else. Hello everybody, my name is Ali, and today's video I'm going to be talking about how to close all the gaps under your timeline in one single click. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so here I am over to my Premiere Pro, and say that I want to close all these gaps in one single click. All you have to do is, guys, very simple and very important. You have to select the timeline right here, and then you want to go over to sequence, and then you want to go down to close gap. Just click on that, and boom, here you go, guys, everything is closed. Very simple, guys. This is how you do it. This is how you close all the gaps in your Premiere Pro. Keep in mind, this is only gonna work or if you have the latest version of Premiere Pro, I believe maybe from 2018 until 2020 right now. So if you have older version, like say 2017, it's not gonna work, so you need to update. Okay guys, but there's something else that I have to share with you as well. I have an audio file, then I want to close all the gaps right here, just like we did last time. All you have to do is go over to sequence, and then you click on close gaps. But the problem here, it did not close the gaps right here, and also right here and right here. It only closed the gaps for these places, as you can see, for the ones that are not under or touching the audio file right here. So fixing this problem is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is to select the audio file and drag it out of the timeline where you have your last clip. And then all you have to do is go on again to sequence and click on close gap. And boom, that is it, guys. And this is how you do it. So then you want to get back your audio and get it back right here. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.